Meditation is the natural tendency of your mind when you're really doing nothing. If you sit down, close your eyes, and do absolutely nothing, after a while your mind will settle down and go to its natural state, which is one of silence. So it happens spontaneously when we are not trying to do anything. It's the natural state of your mind to be where it is. When your mind is thinking about the future or thinking about the past, then it's not here. And meditation is actually to be here now, in this moment. Sometimes you're in that state with your eyes open. If you could be totally in this moment, at this second, observe yourself, do nothing. That still moment for a split second, that's meditation. So there are many ways to meditate, but the most important thing to remember is it doesn't require a special lifestyle, doesn't require a special diet, doesn't require effort, doesn't require contemplation, doesn't require concentration, does require for you to learn to let go, does require for you to learn to not try, does require for you to understand that it is effortless, and for some people that's difficult to be effortless because they've been trained or conditioned to not be effortless. Children aren't like that. They're effortless to begin with. And when children are playing and are totally into the play, they're also in meditation.